And weather. Typhoon Shanshan to smash Japan with flooding and gale-force winds. Typhoon Shanshan is hurtling across the Pacific, heading directly for Japan. As Tokyo braces itself for the hit, here are all the latest updates. The storm will bring a number of hazards to a country still reeling from devastating flooding in July which claimed more than 200 lives. The region is currently in the grips of a sweltering heatwave, but temperatures will drop when the typhoon arrives. At least 100 deaths have been recorded as a result of the heatwave, and more than 22,000 people have been taken to hospital with heat stroke. And the natural disasters look set to keep hammering Japan, as Shanshan is headed right for it. The country, as of this morning, Shanshan was currently located about 1,150 kilometers, 715 miles, southeast of Tokyo, moving north-northwest at 20 kilometers per hour. The tropical cyclone is set to track northwest and, if it continues on this path, will threaten Japan by the middle of this week. The typhoon is carrying sustained wind speeds of 126 km per hour, 78 mph, which are expected to increase to 144 kph, 89 mph, as it approaches Japan. Shanshan is still classified as a typhoon, with the equivalent strength of a Category 1 hurricane in the Atlantic and East Pacific basins. The storm could strengthen further in the next 24 hours. Damaging winds and rainfall are set to lash the area when Shanshan makes landfall midweek. However, head rains could affect the areas as soon as Tuesday as the storm nears. The greater Tokyo area can expect 50-100 mm, 2-4 inches of rainfall with the potential for peak wind gusts of 80-115 kmh, 50-72 mph.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.